Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are coming to you in our 1984 Chevy Silverado pickup truck. That's right folks, we have another one of these lovely little box body style trucks. Of course, everybody loves these just for their old school farm look. This one we have here featuring a two-tone red and white exterior. As you can see, it is a small bed and it also has those little, I want to say, hooks on the side, so if you ever need to tow or basically hold on to something, that's very good for you. Other than that, it does have the old school farm, I want to say, rally wheels. Of course, they're better to have than the new Torques, because everybody just seems to apparently want to have the same thing. Got the big mirrors to see what's actually going on around you. Other than that, you go move on to the inside now, featuring an automatic on the column, tilt column included. As you can see, we have the stock cluster around us with the old school radio. Other than that, what's nice about these particular years of the Chevy truck is that they have a dual gas tank. So of course, you know, you have one on the left side, one on the right side, so you never have to worry about breaking down or having to run out of fuel. Of course, in certain situations, you always want to have 2 tanks of gas. Other than that, you got the old school cloth bench seat. Very nice to handle 3, maybe even 4 people. Other than that, these trucks do offer power locks, power windows, of course, wonderful power steering, as well as power brakes, which we can demonstrate for you right now. Underneath the hood, featuring a 5.0 liter, a little different than what you're used to hearing me say. Of course, most of the time these trucks, or well, at least the OBS style trucks, came with a 5.7 liter V8. Always more powerful, but the 5.0 definitely does the same amount of work as a 5.7 would, maybe just a little bit of power and gas mileage, but always serves the same purpose of delivering and driving A to B. Other than that, as you can see, we are running a little low on fuel, so we should probably fuel up, or better yet, can just use that second gas tank to help us out. Other than that, folks, I mean, this is a wonderful little truck to have. Definitely a one that you could use as a work truck, beater truck, whatever your sole purpose is. Of course, I did not see that stupid Corolla in my way. My apologies. But yeah, again, nobody really does have any respect for a classic no more. Other than that, though, we're just going to get safely turned around now on the lifts. So just stay tuned, see you underneath.